In this video, we are going to implement a home automation system in which there will be one central server for displaying the data and it will create hotspot. Number of station point will be connected to it. Station points will read sensor data like water level indicator, theft alarm, LPG gas leakage sensor in kitchen, etc. Server and all station point will be connected in star topology. So the name Tarangan. Now this is the circuit for station point. Station point is a module which connects to Wi-Fi which is created by server, that is access point, and send data to server via HTTP protocol. In this circuit, 3.3 volt regulator is used for ESP01, but ultrasonic sensor requires 5 volt, hence it is connected to 5 volt. You can use your old mobile charger for getting 5 volt. Now we will see code for station point. This is program for station point. This program will get data from ultrasonic distress sensor and that data will be sent to server via HTTP protocol. Here trigger and echo pin are defined, pin number 0 and pin number 2. Then here Wi-Fi name, this is my Wi-Fi name and this is password. This Wi-Fi will be created by server. Here you can replace your Wi-Fi name. Here this module that is station point is configured as station point here. So this will be connected to other router or hotspot. Here this module is connected to server. Then here we are reading data from ultrasonic sensor. Here we get data distance in centimeter and then that is sent to the server in these 4 lines. The format of data is like TK, then distance in centimeter and then \r, and here delay of 10 seconds is given, so we get reading every 10 seconds. Next is server or access point, is a module which create hotspot and other station points connects to this module. Server receives raw sensor data from station points via HTTP protocol. Then it processes that data and then displays it on 16:2 LCD. In this circuit, I2C display is used because I2C display requires only 2 pins, SDA and SCL. Now this is program for server. This program will get data from other station points and that data will be displayed on LCD display. We are using I2C LCD display. You need to download this library. Some variable you need to replace are this highest tank. This is the distance reading in centimeter when tank is at lowest level. You can see from this image. This is the highest tank variable, that is distance from sensor to lowest level of the water, that is usable water. Then next variable is tank offset. tank offset is distance sensor reading in centimeter when tank is full. From this image you can see tank offset is distance between sensor to the water level when tank is full. Then next is total tank capacity. Total tank capacity is water capacity. Total tank capacity is amount of water that is usable, that can be calculated from this formula. Then next, here this module, that is server, is started as access point mode, so this will create hotspot and other station points will connect to this hotspot. Then this is the name of hotspot, this is password. Then here server is started. Then these are lines statements for LCD declaration, and here we are printing welcome, then starting server. Here we are waiting for message from station point, and if you get message from station point, then here in these lines we are separating data from that string. Here we are printing data on LCD. Please watch next part of this video to see hardware implementation. For more details, please visit the blog. Its link is given in the description.